Korede Johnson, and today I'm doing for you a bridal makeup look. And I have my friend here who did my hair. You love it?
My name is OJ. I'm a makeup artist, I'm a stylist, and a color artist. Today I've created this look on cam, and I hope you like it. And I'm going to be showing you how I present this look. Stay tuned.
Yes, thank you so much. Let me tell you guys a little story. So it was my wedding, and I had a makeup artist, but she was very busy. At the end of the day, I had to do my makeup myself. And you know, God also OJ in my mind. Like, I called him at about 11:30 p.m. Yes, and said, OJ, please save the day. I need you to tie my hair tie for my wedding. And OJ showed up. He didn't disappoint me. My day was awesome.
Yeah, you're really a beautiful bride.
Thank you. Even I can't continue to look like this, you know.
You can't look like this.
Thank you. I really love this makeup. I love my hair, and I'm encouraging you guys as well, you know, to be able to do this for yourself. This is a makeup look that you can create, you know, for yourself. You can even do something better, isn't it? But just keep watching and let's see what this turns out to be like. Thank you.
So OJ is about to start my hair now, and the truth is that you can do this hair yourself, but I decided to, you know, let OJ do it because it's more like a collaboration. And aside from the fact that because you don't want to stress yourself out on your wedding day, you can have someone do this hair for you. It is very simple. That was why I was like, it is something you can do by yourself. Well, our major concern today is actually your makeup. This is a tutorial where, you know, you're a bride and you probably might not be able to afford a makeup artist, and you have some makeup products, so you can just do this thing by yourself and call it a day. Not necessarily call it a day, you know, it's your day, it's a big day, but this tutorial is to guide you and help you on what to look like for your big day. And my hair is being done by OJ, and I am showing you a demonstration so that even if you can't do it yourself, you can have someone do it for you. So OJ already packed my hair. He already straightened it. As you can see, he's packing it and tightening up with a rubber band and pin. And then he's brushing it in place just to make sure that there are no strange hair just flying around, and then filling in the gaps in front with some pencil, black pencil, and he's brushing it just to make sure that everything blends in properly. Then using the pencil on the other side as well, he's using his toothbrush to just brush the hair in place. And then we're using edge control. The truth is that I really do not like edge control, but you need edge control, you know, to control some strange short hair just flying all over the place. So this will help gel down our hair, and then he's also trying to fill in the gap at the center of my head as well, and then he's going to brush it in place. And then we're using this olive oil ultra old spray, and also using some mousse as well. This will further make the hair sleep all the way down. I think I like the feeling of mousse on my head. It's quite cold, and then it will just make the hair sleep without having so much gel on the head. As in, I literally do not like gel, not to even talk about edge control, but these things are necessary, you know, for this big day to just help your hair sleep all the way down. And then he's wrapping this long weave on. This is just a normal weave on by Expression. It's quite cheap. I think I got it for about $1,000 to just a little bit over $3. Yes, and then we're using it to just wrap, you know, my hair. My hair is quite long, so we were able to pack it and then secure it with this pin. So he's using some pin to secure the hair so that the wrap doesn't fall out, and he's just going to brush it all out, you know, before we do the necessary wrap. And then we're using this sponge. It's like it's a bun actually, so it was cut at the center and then spread wide, and then we rolled it, you know, over my hair, and then just curved it and pinned it on the two sides. So as you can see, he's pinning it on the two sides to form that arc, you know, that the hairstyle had at the beginning when we were talking about the hair and the intro. And then you want to spread the hair all the way to cover the sponge like bun on the two sides, and brush it, you know, if there is any hair flying around, and you just want to secure the hair with some pin. Just make sure that you secure the hair with some pin as much as you can, you know, so that everything is just, you know, very still and smooth. And I love what the hair is looking like. This hair is so simple, and this is a normal tiara that you find at a bridal shop. We had to double it because it wasn't the big full one that can just slip on your head. So this was 2 tiaras, and then we just hooked it together, and then we're pinning it to my scalp, as you can see, and it is so gorgeous. Like, I wish it was what I had on my head on my wedding day, but I really liked my hair, you know, back in those days, but this is really nice. And then I'm starting off with Pond's oil control on my face, and we're already into the makeup. So I'm brushing my hair now. That's my brows. I'm brushing it, and I'm also using my pencil by Eversheen and just, you know, creating the arc, and also brushing some feathery strokes into my brows just to give that natural look. So you just want to do that. And then I'm using my foundation by Maybelline in Warm Coconut. I'm using it to define under my brows to make it very neat. And I'm also going to be using my concealer by LA Girl. It is Warm Honey, and I'm just going to use that to create an highlight at the outer part of my brow. And going straight to my makeup is Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. I really love this palette. It has some yellow, and then I'm also using that particular color you can see on my crease, and just brushing it on my eyes just to give it that soft transition. And then next, I'm using this brownish orange like color. It is more of orange than brown, so I'm also applying it on the same spots where I put that yellow, and then I am brushing it to just make sure that it sinks. I'm also using this dark brown to contour the outer part of my crease. You want to do that for both sides. This is a very subtle, soft makeup. So we're moving to our Huda Beauty. I'm using this creamy eyeshadow from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, Rose Gold Remastered palette actually, and it is very soft. I'm using my fingers because I prefer to use my fingers than my brush because it's a creamy eyeshadow. So I'm using a little black to contour and just creating a contour. And straight to my foundation, guys. Like, I'm fast forwarding this particular area because blending foundation can take like a long time. So, but you just want to make sure that you use a beauty sponge and just pushing the foundation into your skin to create that flawless finish. So I'm blending the one on my forehead now, and our makeup is already, you know, looking like it. Like, I'm ready to go down the aisle. So I'm using my LA Girl under my eyes to create my highlights, and my forehead, my chin, and my cupid bow, and I'm blending. You can never get it wrong when it comes to blending. Like, seriously, just blend. Use your sponge. Push it into your skin. What am I saying? But seriously, guys, you don't want to leave any ash line on your face, except the ash line is intentional. So just keep blending to create a very smooth finish so that your powder will just melt into that skin. Blend, 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 and keep blending. So I'm applying my Sacha Butter Cosmetic powder, Buttercup, and to just finish, you know, the highlighted area, I'm applying on my nose, forehead, and chin, and straight on to my eyeliner by BH Cosmetics while my powder is setting up my face. I'm using the eyeliner to line my eyes, as you can see. You just want to be gentle on yourself, and then using this Mabrouk mascara, I'm applying it to brush my eyelashes in place, and also using my eye pencil by Secrets for my eyes, and also applying some brown eyeshadow as well. So I'm using Minani powder to just blend out the whole makeup on my face. This process is not so intense. And then I'm using my Covergirl bronzer to create some contour and to snatch my face further, to create some structure on my nose as well and make it thinner, and my head. So I am using my e.l.f. Cosmetics highlighter in Apricot. I love the finish. It is like butter on my skin. I can say that over and over again. So it will just create some highlights and give me some shimmering effects on my skin. And then I'm using my blush by Classic on my face. I really love it. And onto our lashes. Applying lashes can be so much of a drama. I remember on my wedding day, it was a bit of a struggle, but I had to calm myself so that I can get it right. The tension is there when you're doing your makeup by yourself. And then I am using my Zaron pencil in Cupertino to line my lips. I love the soft brown finish with this pencil. And I'm just going to make sure that I apply it reasonably. And I am using this benign glitter gel. It broke, so I put it inside that container, and I'm applying some gold glitters at the center of my eyes. That's by my tear dot. So I'm using this Luxe L'Occur lipstick by BH Cosmetics, and also using this Blondie by Zaron lipstick. And then Classic Clear Gloss to just finish this look. Like, I am already a bride, guys. Like, can't you see? And I'm also using Rimmel London to finish my skin. And onto my MAC Fix Plus in gold. I am just using it to create some shimmer around my neck while we finish the hair. And guys, don't I look like a bride, like a takeaway bride? Where's my husband? Oh no, I really loved this look by the time I finished. Like, I was really feeling myself, and I hope you guys can do the same thing as well and create this look awesome for your big day. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope I was able to help in some way, and please feel free to leave some comment down below and subscribe and tell me what makeup look you want me to create. Thank you so much. Bye.